Okay, good afternoon. I'm Joseph Henry Dinoy, and this is for the laboratory number 3 exercise for chemistry. So, pinrepare ko na lahat ng mga materials na gagamitin natin. So, i-recap lang natin. Una is yung red cabbage, lemon juice, then yung soapy water, ito, drinking water, then vinegar, ito siya, transfer ko na, then baking powder, baking soda, then tomato juice, juice na lang natin siya mamaya, then vitamin C in water, nandito, dinurog ko siya, brown sugar in water, ito, then shampoo, detergent, then bleach, then we have the dropper, and then yung white plate. Ngayon, yung red cabbage, may instruction doon sa procedure. So, natapos ko na siyang pakuluan. Kinuha ko na lang na yung juice out of the cabbage. So, yan, medyo dark violet siya, something yung kulay niya. Okay, so proceed na tayo sa step 5. So, using a dropper, place 2 to 3 drops of lemon juice onto the white plate. So, ito yung lemon juice natin. Okay. So, place 2 to 3 drops. 1, 2. Okay. Try natin 3. Okay, so, hugasan natin yung dropper. Then, mag-drop. Haluan natin siya ng solution natin. Ito. Okay, so 2 to 3 drops. 1, 2. Yan. Okay. So, kung makikita nyo, yung kulay niya is parang naging pink siya. Medyo pink. Yan. Okay? So, yan. That's for the first step. So, yung second natin is using record any color change happen. So, yun yung color change. Then repeat steps 5 to 7 for soapy water and the remaining material. So start tayo sa soapy water. So kuha ko dito. Okay, drop din ako. 1, 2. Okay. Hinugasan ko siya. So kuha ko na. Okay, so medyo naging color green lang siya na dark, yung kulay niya. Yan. Okay. So, yan. Yan siya. So, okay na tayo sa soapy water. Then, next is drinking water. So, dito yung drinking water natin. Kuha ko, mag-drop ako. Okay. Yan. Then, kuha ko dito. Yan. So, medyo pareho lang din sila nung sa soapy water. Yung kulay niya. Then, next is yung milk. So, yung milk, ito. Siya. Kuha ko. Drop tayo ng dalawa. Then, sure na malinis yung dropper natin para makuha natin ang tamang kulay. Okay, so drop natin. Yan. Okay. So, parang nag-blend siya, parang pinkish din. So, yan yung naging niya, kulay. Okay. Then, next is yung soda. Ito, Coke yung ginamit ko. So, lagyan natin. Inixin ko lang. Tingnan natin kung ano yung magiging color niya. Yan. So, parang naging rin siya. Medyo pinkish din yung kulay niya. Yan. Parang nag-blend sila. Parang yung sa lemon juice. Okay, so next is yung baking powder. So try natin. Bitan ng konti. Ilagay natin yung cabbage natin. Yan. So, medyo pinkish din yung naging kulay niya. Yan. Then medyo bumubula-bula siya. Okay. Then, baking powder yung susunod. Baking soda, sorry. Tapos na tayo sa baking powder. Gawa ko ng pinch. Then, drop tayo. Yan, medyo pinkish na pero hindi siya nag-bubbles. Katulad nung sa baking powder. Parang nag-ano lang siya. Nag-blend lang siya. Okay, then next is nasa lang natin yung tomato juice. So ito, walang ako, nag-extract ako ng ito. Yan, 3 drop. Then kung ako ito, okay, medyo red na pinkish din siya yung naging color niya. Yan. Okay, ayusin ko lang ito. Okay. And then next is vitamin C in water. So ito, tinunaw ko na yung vitamin C dito sa water. Gawa tayo ng konti. Okay, medyo may kulay na yung vitamin C. Mismo na tablet na binili ko. Pero tingnan natin. Okay. 1, 2, 3. So parang nag-blend lang din siya. Yung kulay niya. Naging pink. Okay. So next is salt in water. Wait, so nag-skip tayo sa vinegar. So, ito pala yung vinegar. Try natin yung vinegar. Ito. Okay, so drop tayo. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Tignan natin. Halos same lang din sila ng color na lumalabas. So, yan. Pinkish din siya. Okay. Right. So, next is salt in water. So, ito yung salt in water. Inano ko na siya. Tinunog ko kanina. Yan. 3 drops yung ginawa ko. Tandaan natin. Okay. Drop natin. At siya medyo dark. Na-retain niya yung color niya. Nung sa cabbage. Then, next is brown sugar in water. So, ito, na-dissolve ko na rin. Okay. Natin yung 3 drops. Tayo dito. So, same lang din siya, niretain yung color. Dalawa lang natin. Okay. And then, yung succeeding is shampoo. Natin ito, shampoo. Okay. Parami. So, lagyan natin itong solution natin. Wala, kasi thick yung ano yung shampoo. So, parang nagpatong lang siya. Right, so yung next is yung detergent. So ito. konti. Okay. So, yan. And let's see. Ano na reaction. Okay, so, same lang. Same lang din. Alright, and then last one is bleach. So, ito. Cut natin. Ito na parami, pero okay lang. Then, okay, ito medyo nag-iba yung kulay niya. So, hindi niriting yung original na color. Okay, so yun yung result ng yung colors. Then punta tayo dun sa pangalawa na yung part 2. Then we need, so for the part 2, we need baking soda, then vinegar, meron pa tayo, then mixing bowl, then measuring spoon. So instruction is place a spoonful of baking soda into the mixing bowl. So, spoonful, kuha lang tayo dito. May ako, half lang yun. Okay. And then, slowly add a spoonful of vinegar into the baking soda. Observe what happens. Tignan natin. Ito yung vinegar. Okay. So, slowly, tingnan natin. Okay, so nakikita nyo may mga bubbles. Yan, no? Okay. Alright, so yun yung reaction na nangyari. Nagkaroon ng bubbles. Okay, then laboratory quiz. By using the color chart, rate the intensity of color change you observe when mixing the red cabbage juice with the household items. Classify the household items as acid or bases. Completing. Ang tingin ko dun is yung medyo parang pinkish siya. Yung most of the household items na ginamit natin. Alright? So, let's see, may mga questions dito. Number 1, what happened when the red cabbage was boiled? So, a bluish-violet juice was extracted. Then, what color change occurred when the red cabbage was mixed with the lemon juice? Ano siya parang naging medyo red siya. Then, what color change occurred when the red cabbage juice was mixed with soapy water? So, nandun naman yung lahat dun sa video natin kanina. Dun lang tayo sa part 2. So, what happened when the two ingredients were mixed? So, bubbling occurred. Which of the following is an acceptable conclusion based on your answer in question number 1? Let's see. Okay, so letter C on combustion occurred since the mixture. Oh no, sorry. Yun ang letter C, yung sagot doon. Then which of the reacting ingredients is acid? So yung vinegar, then which is base, yung baking soda. Then how did you identify the acid and the base? So based on the previous experiment. Okay, so what is an indicator? So an indicator is a solution that changes color when mixed with an acid or base. Is the reaction between the household ingredient and the indicator an example of reversible acid-base reaction? No. Once the indicator changes, it can no longer be turned to its original color. What is the similarity between water and the red cabbage juice? Okay, so they are both bases. And what is the acid found in the ingredients? Okay, so that's letter A. Then what is the base found on the ingredients? So um, letter C. Then what is the correct acid-base reaction? Letter B. And then what are the products formed? So ang product formed doon is letter A. Okay, so 23 carbonic acid is easily converted into water. So letter A. Then 24. So letter B. And what would be the chemical equation for the solution? Okay, letter B. Then if instead of vinegar, lemon juice was used, what will you observe? Okay, so kung lemon juice daw yung ginamit dito, ano daw yung ma-observe natin? Wala, kasi acidic yun yung lemon juice. So what is the acid found in lemon juice? Citric acid. Okay, so yun lang, and thank you. That's all.